Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today we have to start with the question answer, isn't it? किसी को और कोई दिक्कत नहीं ना है चैप्टर में? चैप्टर सब
No, ma'am.
समझ रहे हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So chapter 2 we will discuss
Ma'am.
question answer today. आज हम लोग question answer discuss करेंगे. Just open page number 32. 32 निकालिए. First one, the study of microorganism is known as
Microbiology.
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 yes, microbiology. The bread dough rises because of the production of
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. ठीक है? That are the microorganism
That
is this
Pathogens.
pathogen.
yes. Then dash and dash are two chemical preservatives. Sodium benzoate
Sodium benzoate
Sodium
and potassium metasulfite.
Metabisulfite
are two chemical preservation.
yes.
Sodium benzoate, potassium metasulfite.
Sodium metabisulfite are two chemical preservatives. Then fifth one, dash is a fungus that causes food poisoning.
Aspergillus.
Aspergillus.
Yes. Match the following. Ringworm,
Fungus.
fungus. Clostridium,
Food poisoning.
Food poisoning.
yes. Anthrax,
Cattle.
Lactobacillus,
Cattle.
Bird.
Curd.
methane,
Biogas
Biogas
reactor.
Biogas reactor.
yes, biogas. Now next one, take the correct option. The process that helps milk to last longer but does not kill all microbes present in it is known as
Pasteurization.
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 pasteurization. Heat is caused by fungus. Heat is caused by
Fungus.
medicines containing killed or weakened pathogens.
Vaccines.
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 Disease are called vaccines. Which of the following reproduces only inside of
Virus.
a disease caused
Virus.
and spread by an
Dengue.
is called
Dengue.
ठीक है?
Dengue.
B. Answer the following question. Why are viruses considered as being at borderline between living and non-living things? Now open to page number
19.
18.
First paragraph.
Viruses are unique. They can exhibit the characteristic of both living organisms and non-living.
अब हम यहाँ पे पंखा बंद होगा हम वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं
And Ankit, mic mute करिए and concentrate on your.
हम लोग को 6:30 से 7:30
Yeah, what are you? Mute करो mic.
सो ही आने ही का टाइम हो लेता लगभग 15-20 मिनट और
Viruses are unique. They can exhibit the characteristic of both living organism and non-living things. Then, when they come in contact with a suitable plant, animal, or bacteria, they show the characteristic of living things. No, you will add this line also. When they are floating in air or settled on a door knob, they are non-living, like say salt and sugar. When they, but लिखना है यहाँ पे, but ये line cut करो and write down but. When they come in contact with a suitable plant, animal or bacteria, they show the characteristic of living things. So, viruses are regarded as being on the borderline between living and non-living entities or things. You can write entities के बदले. Have you marked this answer?
मैम रिपीट कर
Yes,
दीजिए
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
एक एक
Yes, ma'am.
Indices are unique से start करोगे पेज नंबर 18 and write down till salt and sugar. यहाँ तक लिखो फिर but लिखो यहाँ पे but when फिर उसके नीचे के लाइन से but when they come in contact with a suitable plant or animal or bacteria they show the characteristic of living organism. So viruses are therefore को कट करिए. So viruses are regarded as on the borderline between living and non-living things. Next question. What is fermentation? How is this process useful in food and beverage industries? First of all, write down what is fermentation.
Page number 30.
Keywords.
हाँ, कीवर्ड से ले लो fermentation. Yes, take it from keyword. An anaerobic process through which sugars or carbohydrate are converted into alcohol or acid and carbon dioxide by microorganism like yeast is known as fermentation. You will complete that sentence. How is this process useful in food and beverage industries? It is used in the formation of curd and cheese. इसमें लिखोगे lactobacillus is a bacterium that helps in formation of curd. Fermentation process in bakery. Fungi like yeast reproduce rapidly and produce carbon dioxide. This gas, when trapped in dough or batter, causes it to increase in volume and make it fluffy and soft. Alcoholic beverages. Many microorganisms are used to manufacture alcohol, wine, and acetic acid. Still here. Marked it?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Could you
Yes, ma'am.
please repeat this answer?
Used in curd and cheese formation. First point लिखोगे and then you will write this. Lactobacillus is a bacterium that helps in formation of curd. Second में लिखोगे fermentation process in bakery. इसमें आपको fungi, you will start from fungi till fluffy and soft. And then third point, alcoholic beverages. Many microorganisms are used in manufacture of alcohol, wine, and acetic acid. Till there. हो गया है?
मैम फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस इन बेकिंग का पूरा लिखना है कि मैम सिर्फ सॉफ्टी और सॉफ्ट.
You have already written about fermentation. Fermentation के बारे में तो लिख ही चुके हो. In the absence of microorganism, the earth would become a heap of dead plants and animals. Justify this statement.
Page number 23.
Yes.
Cleaning the environment.
Yes, that topic you will take. When a plant or animal dies, it leaves behind nutrients and energy in the organic material that formed its body structure. Decomposers eventually convert all such organic matter into carbon dioxide and nutrient. These nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium become a part of soil. This process eventually replenishes nutrients back to the ecosystem, thereby allowing the plant to grow. Bacteria and fungi are some of the common decomposers. ये complete लिखना होगा इसमें. Then, next one, Munna observes that the yield of wheat growing in his field has reduced in the current year. He gets the soil tested and the report confirms the deficiency of one particular nutrient. Accordingly, he advised to grow peas after harvesting wheat. Name the nutrient found insufficient.
Nitrogen.
Phosphorus.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Phosphorus also. How do you think Growing peas will help in replenishing the soil.
Pea is a
हाँ
pea is
बोलो.
a leguminous plant. Pea is a
Leguminous
leguminous
plant pulses.
and the pea's root have rhizobium bacteria that will eventually convert the gaseous nitrogen into soluble form in the soil, so that the soil will get fertile by that.
ओके ठीक है, ये आंसर करेक्ट है, बट हम लोग इस तरह से भी लैंग्वेज आई एम जस्ट चेंजिंग, जो कि यूनिफॉर्म रखना सब लोग. मैटर इज सेम. ग्रोइंग पीस विल हेल्प इन रिप्लेनिशिंग द सॉइल बाय ट्रैपिंग द एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन with the help of rhizobium bacteria present in the root of leguminous. लिखकर P लिखोगे ब्रैकेट में, leguminous plant. Growing peas will help in replenishing the soil by trapping the atmospheric nitrogen with the help of rhizobium bacteria present in roots of leguminous under bracket pea plant. Written? Have you all written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम सेकंड का रिपीट कर दीजिए मैम. मैम हट गया था, हॉट स्पीक लगा था.
देखो फिर से. Growing peas will help in replenishing the soil by trapping the atmospheric nitrogen with the help of rhizobium bacteria present in the root of leguminous or pea plant. ठीक है? Next.
यस मैम.
Next question. Why does it take less time to prepare curd in summer as compared to preparing it in winters? आप लोग को भी ये रीजन पता होगा?
Yes, ma'am. Because in summer the room temperature is more as compared to in winter, which is suitable for the multiplication of the bacterial.
Yes, very good. एकदम appropriate है. It will take less time to prepare curd in summer as compared to preparing in winter, because in summer the room temperature is more as compared in winter, which is appropriate for the bacteria to multiply. So this type of reasoning question can be asked in other lessons also, children. आप लोग उस कॉन्सेप्ट को हमेशा दिमाग में रखोगे कोई भी चैप्टर, इसीलिए हम आपको बार बार बोलते हैं रीड करिए चैप्टर को. देन नेक्स्ट, ये लिख लिए ना सब लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया है सबका? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ आर द फॉलोइंग डिजीजेस ट्रांसमिटेड? मलेरिया, फीमेल
Insects.
नहीं, इंसेक्ट्स नहीं लिखोगे, फीमेल एनोफ्लीज. उसका नाम लिखा हुआ है आप लोग के बुक में कि मलेरिया स्प्रेड होता है फीमेल एनोफ्लीज मॉस्किटो के बाइट से. तो ये लिखोगे फीमेल एनोफ्लीज, कॉजल ऑर्गेनिज्म लिखना है. देन कॉमन कोल्ड, वायरस और एयर.
Air.
हाँ. देन टेटनस, सॉइल और
Soil.
टाइफॉइड, वाटर.
Water.
Yes. What are antibiotics? How are they produced? Give 2 examples of these. Page number 30.
Page number.
Page number 30. The chemicals produced by microorganisms that kill or inhibit the growth of other microorganisms is known as antibiotics. The chemicals produced by microorganisms that kill or inhibit the growth of other harmful microorganisms are known as antibiotics. How are they produced?
When microorganisms like bacteria or
Why,
viruses
sir?
enter our body, they are recognized by special kind of blood cells. These cells get stimulated to produce antibodies.
You can directly write bacteria or fungi भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है? You can write this one. हाँ, इसमें लिखा ही हुआ है. When microorganisms like bacteria or virus, page number 22, enter our body, they
मैम
recognize.
ये तो एंटीबॉडीज का है, एंटीबायोटिक्स का फॉर्मेशन पूछा है.
Oh, हाँ, that is the different question. You will write bacteria and fungi, not that answer. ये antibodies का definition है. Not, don't write that one. How are they produced? It is about antibiotics. So they are produced by bacteria and fungi. Give 2 examples of this. Penicillin.
Penicillin
Penicillin, streptomycin,
and
tetracycline.
tetracycline.
हाँ, उसका ये भी
Tetracycline.
हाँ, पेनिसिलिन, स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन और पेनिसिलिन में आप हमेशा उसका कॉजल ऑर्गेनिज्म याद रखोगे जस्ट फॉर रिमेम्बरिंग. पेनिसिलियम नोटेटम भी याद रखो, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज द कॉजल ऑर्गेनिज्म. देन आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. Microorganisms are very useful in manufacturing different food items. Explain the above statement. फूड आइटम्स में आप लोग जितना जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में लिखे हो ना, उसी आंसर को आपको इसमें रिपीट करना पड़ेगा. हाउ इट इज हाउ दिस प्रोसेस यूजफुल इन फूड एंड बेवरेजेस. तो यहाँ भी तो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसे हेल्पफुल है फूड में, तो वो तो पॉइंट्स 3 पॉइंट्स व्हाट आर व्हिच आर गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर
20.
जो मार्क करवाए हैं. इट इज used in preparation of curd and cheese for fermentation process in bakery and alcoholic beverages. तो ये आप लोग तीनों पॉइंट को रिपीट कर दोगे जो हम अंडरलाइन करवाएं. नेक्स्ट, गिव रीजन फॉर द फॉलोइंग. Yeast is added to the batter used to make dosas. Although children here yeast directly नहीं होता है जो हम लोग डिस्कस किए, वो बैक्टीरिया होता है, लेकिन ये लोग लिख रहा है तो leave it like that. तो वो क्यों ऐड किया जाता है? Just to make it soft and
Fluffy and soft.
Fluffy
and soft.
Fluffy and soft.
it is used to make soft and fluffy or fluffy and soft. It is important to brush one's teeth before going to bed to stop the growth of bacteria.
Which corrode a tooth animal and cause cavity.
Yes, to stop the growth of bacteria which harms our teeth or corrodes our teeth. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो अपने लैंग्वेज में. Reducing the quantity of salt in pickle can cause it to go bad soon because salt acts as a
Because it reduces water content and make it unavailable for the growth of microorganism in it.
You directly write down because salt acts as a preservative. बस इतना ही लिखना है. Foods from puffed or enlarged can should not be consumed because it can contain bacterial growth.
It indicates spoilage of food.
हाँ, that will lead to spoilage, लेकिन उसमें अंदर क्या होता है जो उसको spoil करता है? So that will be due to the growth of bacteria. When using frozen food item, one should take out only the required quantities. Thawed food should never be refrozen because it reduces the nutritive value of the food. because it reduces the nutritive value of the food. Next. How do communicable diseases spread? Suggest ways to prevent the following diseases.
Page number 24.
Communicable
Page
disease spread from
24.
one person to another through air, water, food, physical contact, or insects.
Directly you can answer. Page 24 में तो दिया ही हुआ है, वो तो आप लिख ही सकते हो. Communicable diseases spread from one person to another. Air, water, food, physical contact, or insects. Then ways to prevent the following diseases. Tuberculosis को कैसे prevent?
Vaccination.
Vaccination. Athlete food.
Maintaining good
personal
personal hygiene.
Maintaining
Maintaining personal hygiene. Cholera.
Proper
disposal
of
of
waste
waste
and
and
using
disinfected water.
disinfected water.
Using disinfected water and proper disposal of waste. What are pathogens? Name two pathogens.
disease causing organisms are known as pathogens.
Yes, disease causing microorganisms are known as pathogens. It is also given on the page number 24. Disease causing organisms are known as pathogens. Or name two pathogens that cause diseases in plants and animals. Bacteria and virus.
Virus.
बैक्टीरिया दो पैथोजन है. तो प्लांट और एनिमल में फंगी भी लिख सकते हो, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. Now next question. Mohan bought samosas from a roadside vendor and ate it. After some time, he felt nausea and started vomiting. He had severe pain in the abdominal region and suffered from diarrhea. What could be the reason for his condition? What is it called? How can it be prevented? बोलो, क्या होगा?
The reason could be that the samosa were not
Consumption of
properly
contaminated-
prepared and stored to prevent food poisoning.
It was contaminated. लिखोगे, it was contaminated, infected. कुछ भी उसमें germs था तभी ना उसको problem हुआ. तो if the food was contaminated,
Yes, ma'am.
what is it called? इसको क्या कहेंगे? इस
Food
disease
poisoning.
Food poisoning.
correct?
Food poisoning.
How can it be prevented?
By proper handling.
By proper handling of the food items
by
and
handling of food.
By proper handling of food and not using, you can say, uncovered food or roadside food which may contain germs. आप अपने language में इसको कुछ भी लिख सकते हो.
one should wash their hand to prevent the contamination of food.
वॉश अगर मान लो वॉश हैंड भी तो करने से नहीं होगा ना. अगर वो कंटेमिनेटेड फूड होगा जिसमें जर्म्स होगा तो वो अनकवर्ड फूड को पहले तो रोड साइड वाला फूड हम लोग को नहीं लेना चाहिए, विच इज अनकवर्ड, अनहाइजीनिक, दैट वी शुड नॉट टेक. So you can describe in your own language. Which diseases the following children are most likely to suffer from? Ramu drinks water from a nearby lake. This water is neither boiled nor disinfected. कौन सा disease हो?
Cholera.
Cholera.
Typhoid,
Cholera.
morbid dysentery, cholera,
Cholera.
jaundice, typhoid.
हाँ ठीक है, जॉन्डिस भी हो सकता है, टाइफाइड भी हो सकता है, बट कॉलरा जॉन्डिस इज मोर एप्रोप्रिएट इसमें क्योंकि ये वाटर बॉर्न डिजीज है. आशु डज नॉट टेक अ बाथ एवरी.
Ringworm,
Ringworm.
हाँ, रिंगवर्म
athlete's food.
Athlete's food.
हो सकता है,
Athlete's food.
लेकिन रिंगवर्म विल बी मोर एप्रोप्रिएट because ringworm takes place in any part of the body. That is why I am telling. अगर personal hygiene नहीं है तो it is an athlete foot always takes place in the foot portion. Feet area is affected. Pulkit has been bitten by an infected
Rabies.
Rabies,
Rabies.
rabies,
Rabies.
tetanus,
नो नो, नॉट बाय बिटेन बाय स्ट्रीट डॉग में टेटनस नहीं होगा, वो सॉइल इन्फेक्शन से होता है टेटनस. It is question is Pulkit has been bitten by an infected street dog, so rabies will be appropriate. Sohan is living in an area where the population is very high.
Malaria, dengue. Malaria, dengue.
Malaria.
Is correct answer.
बोलने तो दो मैम.
Mohan was with two of his friends.
Influenza.
हाँ, influenza or cold also you can.
Tuberculosis.
Common cold, tuberculosis, swine flu.
Common cold.
Common cold and influenza will be more appropriate. Clear? Now,
Ma'am, it is written that he was suffering from common cold.
हाँ, कॉमन कोल्ड भी ठीक है. कॉमन कोल्ड लिखा हुआ है तो कोई बात नहीं है. कफिंग और स्नीजिंग तो उसमें भी होता ही है ना कॉमन कोल्ड में, कोई जरूरी नहीं
मैम,
कि
तो कॉमन कोल्ड ही स्प्रेड करेगा ना.
हाँ, कॉमन कोल्ड भी हो सकता है, उसका सिम्टम इन्फ्लुएंजा का भी हो सकता है. वो बहुत सारे डिजीज में कुछ कॉमन सिम्टम्स भी होता है. ठीक है, तो जो सिचुएशन दिया हुआ उसके हिसाब से कॉमन कोल्ड इन्फ्लुएंजा भी हो सकता है. Then value-based question. Soham and his wife are overjoyed after the birth of their daughter. They share their joy with their relatives and friends. Soham's wife decides to take their daughter for her first round of vaccination. However, Soham's mother does not like the idea of putting the child through the discomfort of injections. Soham explains to his mother in a polite and patient way that this slight discomfort and pain is necessary as it shall ensure that the child lives a long and healthy life. Was Soham right in supporting his wife's decision? List any
Yes.
Yes.
values that are demonstrated by his behavior.
Caring, polite, aware.
ठीक है.
They are aware of the health of the kid.
Pardon? What do you want to say? Repeat करो, क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो नव्या?
They are aware of their of the health of their kid.
But awareness you only, right? वो लिखने की जरूरत उतना नहीं है इसमें, केवल values लिखना है इसमें. ठीक है? How does vaccination help in providing immunity?
By stimulating the production of antibodies.
हाँ, ठीक है. Find out the names of 5 diseases that can be prevented by timely vaccination of children.
Chicken pox,
Polio.
mumps,
Polio, mumps,
rubella.
smallpox.
ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. So these all. अब आप लोग को कोई दिक्कत है यहाँ पे सारा क्वेश्चन आंसर में या सब नोट कर लिए? So from Monday you will be having your समर वेकेशन. आप लोग का कब से शुरू हो रहा है ये पता है ना?
7th
Yes,
June.
ma'am.
Yes,
7 June. This Monday.
हाँ, then notice will be given to you all. आप लोग हॉलीडे होमवर्क जो भी आप लोग का आएगा उसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. And be prepared for this chapter. Which chapter will be your next exam one? That means we have done crop production तो हो ही गया था previous.
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बाद हम लोग क्या पढ़े थे?
Ma'am, friction.
फ्रिक्शन का भी आप लोग का टेस्ट.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
रेडी रहिएगा. दैट विल बी योर पोर्शन फॉर द कमिंग एग्जाम. जो एग्जाम आने वाला है ऑनलाइन, अभी नहीं, कल तो आप लोग का संस्कृत ये है ना, इंग्लिश है ना, इंग्लिश मैथ्स.
Yes,
Ma'am, summer vacation में भी weekly test होगा.
Pardon?
Ma'am, summer vacation में भी weekly test होगा.
उसका इंफॉर्मेशन अभी नहीं है बेटा, समर वेकेशन का नहीं. और आप लोग ना वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे पर अपना कोई वीडियो या कोई भी मैसेज या कोई पोस्टर बनाकर ग्रुप में जरूर डालोगे. ठीक है? जस्ट सेंड.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम,
मैम मैंने डाल दिया है.
आप 1-2 दिन में डाल दीजिए, 1-2, दिस इज जस्ट टेक इट एज अ हॉलीडे होमवर्क, आप 2 दिन में उसको डाल दीजिए। आई थिंक,
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू।
What, ma'am?
Thank you,
Ma'am, what will be our next chapter?
नेक्स्ट
Ma'am,
चैप्टर
after the vacation.
डिसाइड, अभी हम लोग डिसाइड नहीं किए हैं, डिसाइड करेंगे, बता देंगे आप लोग को। अभी जो सब मैटर है आपके पास रीड करने का, ठीक है? कोई फिजिक्स का ही चैप्टर होगा मे बी, क्लियर? आपके आ जाएगा
Ma'am.
ओके,
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू, हैव अ
Thank you, ma'am.
हैप्पी हॉलीडेज।
Thank you.
Thank you.